Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add a VPN extension to your Google Chrome browser. And for this, open your Google Chrome, click on the three dots and go to Extensions and then go to Visit Chrome Web Store. Then search here for Hola VPN, click on Enter, click on it right here and click on Add to Chrome and then do Add Extension. So right now the download is done. He will send us to the welcome page, but we can click this away. If I now click here on extensions and pin this extension, we can click here on the fire emoji. And then right now he is saying hola and is starting up everything. But right now you can select here the country where you want to connect with. And right now if I click here on connect, the VPN will start from here. And now the VPN is working on my Google Chrome browser. Now I click on disconnect and now it's done. And this is exactly how you can use a VPN in your Google Chrome browser. Alright, this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.